Most people think they have a lack of opportunity problem. They think they need a better job, a lucky break, or a winning ticket. But for most of us, the problem isn't what we don't have. It's what we're giving away. Your dreams aren't missing. They are being held hostage by your monthly payments. Every dollar you send to a creditor is a dollar that cannot work for you. It's a brick you could have used to build your own castle, but instead, you're using it to build someone else's. In this video, we are going to expose the true cost of debt, not just in interest, but in lost dreams. By the end of this video, you'll see exactly how breaking free will unlock the life you've always wanted. We focus on the monthly payment, but the real enemy is the interest. Interest is the ghost in your bank account. It takes your money and gives you nothing in return. Over a lifetime, the average person pays hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest alone. Imagine if that money was invested in you. That's not just a car payment, that's your early retirement. That's your child's education. Debt doesn't just take your money, it steals your time. When you are in debt, you are forced to play defense. You make decisions based on fear. Fear of missing a payment, fear of the bank, fear of losing your job. But wealth is built on offense. It's built when you have the cash to take a calculated risk, start a business, or buy an asset when the market is low. Debt keeps you in a defensive crouch. Freedom allows you to stand up and swing for the fences. Debt makes you risk-averse in the worst way. You stay in the soul-sucking 9 to 5 because you have to. You can't afford a month without a paycheck because the debt demands to be fed. This is the risk tax. It keeps you small and prevents you from ever finding out what you are truly capable of. Your dreams require a level of freedom that debt simply doesn't allow. Once you stop paying the bank, your momentum shifts. Suddenly, that $500 or $1,000 a month that was disappearing is now compounding in an investment account. This is where the magic happens. When your money starts making money, you stop being the worker and start being the owner. Every debt you kill adds more fuel to your wealth engine. What is the one dream you've put on hold because of your debt? Is it a business, a house, travel? Let me know in the comments below. We are here to help you get there. Subscribe to Wealth Foundation and let's turn those dreams into your reality. The anchor is heavy, but you are stronger. It's time to cut the line. We'll see you in the next video where we break down the simple math of becoming a millionaire after debt.